Hello all, I'm back again. সবাই জয়েন করে যাও, প্লিজ জয়েন। আমি নিজের পেজ থেকেই বেরিয়ে গেলাম। I'm not wearing my specs today. सब लोग ज्वाइन हो जाइए जल्दी जल्दी। A late live, late for us actually. हम लोग तो हमेशा जल्दी लाइव करते हैं ना, तो हम लोग के लिए थोड़ा लेट है। गोपाल आवर आगे दिन में तो
नहीं अब
नहीं बोल सकते, अभी तक लाइव स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है।
वो जो हो गया अब नहीं होगा।
ओके जो लोग ज्वाइन हो चुके हैं थोड़ा हाई पिंग कर दीजिए सो दैट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड यू गाइज हैव ऑलरेडी ज्वाइंड। I would like all of you to join, please. Today is a special live. Today we'll only show you some very special collections, especially silks. একটু উপর দিকে ওঠালে বেটার হতো ক্যামেরাটাকে না, একটু এরকম করলে কিন্তু ওপরটা it's silks for you today. There are a lot of requests for pure silks from all of you. हम लोग का जो followers है, people who have been buying silk from our page, they have got very big liking for our silks. तो silks के लिए ज़्यादा request है, तो I'm going to show silks today. Chikankari kurtis, Gargi, chikankari kurtis we have. I will ping you. Okay. Smita, hi. I would like all of you to please wish a hi, ping a hi so that I can understand. It will be a small live today, not a very big live. It's a late live, तो ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगी मैं सबका। मैं सिर्फ कुछ बहुत स्पेशल कलेक्शंस दिखाऊंगी एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू से बाय बाय टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सो আমারটাই বাজে মনে হয় নাকি, সাইলেন্ট করে দিন। Can we please have more people? Please share it in your pages so that more people can view the live. We want to see more people. Okay, we'll start off then. Pete Pasha, hi Pete Pasha. You're new to us, I guess. Okay, so very special. So shall we start? We'll start now. Okay, let's start. We'll start with a very pocket prelim. কিছু দেখতে পাচ্ছি না, আমার চশমা দে, আমার খুব অস্বস্তি হচ্ছে। We'll start with every live. We normally start with pocket friendly and the budget friendly collections first, and then we slowly move to the the unique ones and to the special collections of us. So like as for every live, today also we are going to start with a very budget friendly yet a very pretty collection from our house, from Pratibha collection. These are Tasar Banarasis. These are semi Tasar Banarasis. Okay, so today's theme is more silk. Tasar is also kind of silk, but the one which I'm going to show you is a semi Tasar Banarasi. It's not a pure Tasar Banarasi. It's a semi Tasar Banarasi, and it is a pure product of Banaras. Okay, it's not a handloom Banarasi. All our products, like the one I'm wearing, also I'm wearing a handloom Banarasi. So this is a semi Tasar Banarasi. Okay, so we'll start with the pocket friendly and the budget friendly collection. My first sari in Tasar Banarasi. This is in a beautiful green color, light lemon green color. Okay, and this sari is having a beautiful big border. The border is almost 10 inches big. It's almost 10 inches big, and the border is having beautiful work. The border is having beautiful work. See, it's a dual color, dual toned border. Okay, you have a beautiful rust color work over here, this big zari work, and then you have this another small work. It's not even small, it's 2 inches bottle green work. It's over here, it's rust, and then over here it's bottle green. So the first sari, semi Tasar Banarasi, so I'm opening it. The sari is very, very pretty. It's one of the budget friendly collection for today's live. So like all lives, every time we show you a budget friendly stuff. So this is my first sari for you. Okay. So this is the look of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. Beautiful pallu. Silver zari. More of it is silver zari. Silver, it's not at all golden zari. It's kind of an antique zari. As you can see the zari work is very pretty. Yes, this is the pallu of the sari. Okay, this is the pallu of the sari. Beautiful pallu. And this is your body of the sari. Okay, have a look. This is the body of the sari. So this is your look. The sari has got intricate weavings inside. Meenakari weavings with different colors. Black and lavender color work inside the body. Okay, so the entire sari is having this Meena weaving. Okay, and the pallu of the sari is, as I showed you, the camera arrangement ঠিক নেই দেখানো যাচ্ছে না একটু সরবে না and pleats I'm showing you. So this is your look of the sari. Okay, this is the look of the sari. Have a look. This is the semi Tasar Banarasi. Semi Tasar Banarasi. This is your pallu and this is your pleats. First sari semi Tasar Banarasi. This is your pallu and this is your pleats. Price of this sari. Price of this sari is only 1650 shipping extra. Okay, 1650 shipping extra. 1650 shipping extra. First color, beautiful color. It's a beautiful light lemon green color. This is the look of the sari. Okay, so these are your pleats. This is a beautiful pleats and this is your pallu. Price is only 1650. Shipping is extra. COD is available all over India. COD charges are extra and shipping is also extra anyways for this sari. So COD and separate shipping charges would be almost same. COD charges would be a slight bit more, maybe a 10 or 20 rupees more, because COD is having a different facility all totally. Okay, first sari, as I showed you, is a beautiful lemon green color with this work. Okay, now let me show you the blouse piece of this sari. Blouse piece of these saris is running. Okay, this is having a running blouse piece. Fine, the same saris look running blouse piece. All sari would be having running blouse piece. Sorry, very sorry. That's not the blouse piece. Okay, this is your blouse piece. I'm very sorry. This is your blouse piece. Blouse piece is also beautifully worked on. This is beautiful silver worked blouse piece. See, blouse piece is beautiful this on this sari. So you get this as your blouse piece. Okay, Price is only 1650. A very affordable sari on a very budget friendly price. Next one is a beautiful sky blue color. It's a beautiful sky blue color. Have a look. Beautiful sky blue color. Okay, same dual toned border. You have a big rust border, and then you have a bottle green border. The complete zari work is antique zari work. Okay, antique zari. It's not the golden zari, it's not the silver zari, it's antique zari. So opening the next semi tasar Banarasi, price 1650 for you. Okay, so this is your look. This is your look. Have a look. Beautiful. This is the look of the sari. Pallu is this big, and this is your body. Okay, this is the body of the sari. Price is only 1650. Price is 1650, shipping extra. All saris you have to give shipping extra for these saris. Okay, this is the look of the sari. Have a look. Sky blue. Okay, semi tasar Banarasis. These Banarasis will not go, although semi tasar will not be giving silk mark for this, because these are on semi stuff. Okay, so this is the look of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the body of the sari. This is the body. Alright, let me show you the pleats of the sari also. It's a bit late live. I can see many people are seeing, but I would request more response from you guys so that I can understand that you guys can see me and watch me. Alright, so this is the pleat look of the sari. Okay, this is the pleats of the sari. Okay, this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the pleats of the sari. Okay, pleats. So this is the look of the sari. Price is only 1650, shipping extra. Price is only 1650, shipping extra. You can take a screenshot and send it to us at the numbers 7908221343 or 8621017476. The numbers are given already at the top of the live, and you can also connect me if you want in the number 9830787682. Alright, you can send a screenshot and do the booking. Third color in this collection, a beautiful peach pink color, not the baby pink but the peach pink. That's a beautiful color. I'll not open the complete sari. I'll just show you because I've already shown you the first two. It's of the same design all totally. Alright, let's have this. Okay, so this is your pallu. This is your beautiful pallu, beautiful worked upon pallu, and this is the body of the sari. This is the body of the sari. Okay, semi tasar Banarasis. So one thread of tasar and one thread of cotton. So that's the reason why it's semi tasar. Okay, price is only 1650. Price is only 1650, guys. 1650, shipping extra. Okay, this is the look of the sari. This is your look. This is a beautiful peachish pink color. Okay, and blouses for these saris are just wonderful. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Have a look. Every sari would be having this beautiful blouse piece. So with the sari, you also get a beautiful blouse piece. Alright, this is the beautiful blouse piece. This blouse piece can be teamed with any other sari in your closet if you want. So this is the look. 1650 only. 1650 only. Okay, removing the third color, going to a beautiful light saffron color. A beautiful light saffron color. It's not orange, it's a beautiful saffron color. Just have a look. The border of the sari, the lower border of the sari is a big fat border with a dual tone border. This is a brown and rust combination. The combination for this border is rust, and then you have brown. This is chocolate brown over here. Okay, and the entire body you have this meenakari work done. Okay, let me open the sari. I'll not open it completely. I'll partially open it. খুলতে বড় ঝামেলা, খুলতে বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয়েছে। Okay, so here it is. I myself get confused when I open a Banarasi sari. So this is the look, okay? Have a look. This is your beautiful look. Beautiful pallu, rich woven pallu, silver zari, antique zari woven pallu, and this is the look. This is the color. All these colors are pastel colors, keeping in mind the season's demand right now. So we are moving towards our summers, and so party wears are asking us for some pastel shades. So all of these are pastel shades. It's a beautiful light saffron color. Okay, price is only 1650. Price is only 1650. Blouse piece, as I told you, it's having, every sari is having a beautiful blouse piece. See, this is the worked upon, zari worked upon blouse piece for each sari. Price is only 1650. Shipping is extra. Okay, removing this, going to the last color. This is one of my own favorites also, the beige color, the beautiful beige color, beige with rust and chocolate brown. So it's one of the most sophisticated colors in the door. Just have a look. আবার সেই পুরোটা খুলে যাচ্ছে, খুলতে। So this is your combination. Have a look. This is the combination. Beautiful silver work in the pallu. This is the look of this sari. A very sober looked sari. A very sober looked sari in a very less price. 1650 only, shipping extra. Okay, 1650 only, shipping is extra. Have a look. This is your look. This is the pallu's look, and this is the body's look. Okay, price is only 1650. Okay, blouse piece for every sari. You have this beautiful blouse piece. Yes, so this is your blouse piece. Okay. Fine. With this, I'm ending over to all my semi collections, and from now I am going to show you only pure silks. Okay. So Pratibha has always been famous for its silks, because whenever we sell silks, we give it with a silk mark. So silk mark sarees are what we have the most. Peer Pasha, thank you, ma'am. Silk mark sarees. So now, right now we are going to show you all different kind of silk sarees. Okay, we'll first move over to now before I go to silk, I have been requested for digital printed linens. So if there are people who have always requested me for digital printed linens, right now I am going to show you a very special and a unique designer digital printed linen, and they are not linen, they are silk linens. So very beautiful sarees I'm going to show right now. Before I go on to silks, I'm going to show you a very beautiful piece now. Pure silk linen Banarasis with digital prints. I'm going to show you pure silk linen Banarasis with digital prints. Okay, so I'm opening my first saree for you. Okay, so I'm opening a first saree. It's a beautiful print. Have a look. These sarees, whenever you carry, you feel the comfort. These are pure handloom sarees, and see, the Banarasi's work is also superb. Have a look. Okay, so this is my first Banarasi silk linen. Okay, let me show you the work of the saree. It's a complete digital printed saree. So see, this is the look of the saree. This is the beautiful look of the saree. Can you see, everyone? This is the beautiful digital work on the saree, digital print on the saree, and this is the lower border of the saree. This is the lower border of the saree. Lower border is having a rich Banarasi border. Lower border is having a rich zari Banarasi border. This is the print of the saree. Okay, let me show you the print first, otherwise it's not visible properly. This is the print of the sari. This is the print of the sari. This particular print, this digital print is going to the entire skirt of the sari. Have you seen this beautiful figure motif? Yes, this goes into the entire sari. The entire sari would be having this beautiful digital motif. Okay, I'll just put it a little bit more back so that they can understand. Okay, now see, I will drape the sari in this way so that you can understand. This is the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari. Have you understood? See, this is the beautiful look. On both sides, you have a rich Banarasi border. This is a big border. This side is almost a 12 inches big Banarasi border. And over this side also, you have a small 2 inches Banarasi border. Rich Banarasi border on both sides, okay, on top as well as on down. Upper side is having big border, lower side is having a small border. And this is the look of the sari. The entire sari is having this beautiful digital printing, okay. And I'm going to show you the pleats also, okay. The saris are completely 6.5 meters big, and from top to bottom, like complete 6.5 meters, you would be having print in the sari. Even the blouse piece you will get is a printed blouse piece. All saris would be having printed blouse piece. So this is the look of the sari. Yes. Yes, this is the look of the sari. Can you see the digital printing over here in the lower skirt? Okay, the digital prints come in the lower skirt. Fine. দেখানো যাচ্ছে না জানিস তো আরো পিছনে হলে কি ভালো হতো ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে See, this is the pallu of the sari. This is the beautiful pallu of the sari. This is the pallu work of the sari. Pallu work is also having beautiful digital figures. And this is the top part of the sari. Top part is this. So this is basically the look of the sari. I don't know whether I'm visible or not. If you guys are understanding the sari's complete structure, please let me know. Otherwise, I would try to show you in a different way. So this is the lower skirt of the sari. You find this beautiful images. You find this beautiful images of, you know, traditional images in the lower skirt. And the top is this floral. Top is this floral. This is your pallu. This is your pallu. Beautiful silk linen Banarasi. Beautiful silk linen Banarasi. It's a silk linen Banarasi sari, digital printed. Price of the saris is only 4,250. Price of the saris is only 4,250. Shipping is extra. Shipping is extra. Based on the weight, the saris shipping would be decided. Okay. So this is the look of the sari. Have a look. This is the pallu. Fine. Have a look. This is the pallu. Beautiful pallu. Beautiful pallu. And this is your body. So this look you are going to get in a pure silk linen. When I say pure silk linen, I mean pure silk, pure resham by pure linen for these saris. And they have got beautiful work. Beautiful work. This is the first sari. Let me show you the blouse piece of this sari. The blouse piece of this sari, for the first sari, this particular sari is having a plain red blouse piece with this Banarasi border. With this Banarasi border. Okay, based on the prints, the saris would be having your blouse piece. There are some prints for which the blouse piece is also printed. There are some prints for which blouse piece is plain. For this particular sari, the blouse piece is plain. Okay, plain red but with Banarasi border in the sleeves. This is your Banarasi red border sleeves. Okay, price is 4,250. Shipping is extra for these saris. It is like shipping free chilo ki. Okay, price is 4,250, shipping free. I was wrong. Its price is 4,250, shipping free for the saris. Okay, COD charges is extra. If anyone is asking for COD, charge would be extra for COD. Okay, removing this particular sari, the first in the series, going to the next one. This is again another very favorite sari of mine. A beautiful print, silk linen Banarasi. Have a look. It's a completely cherry color sari. It's a completely cherry color sari. Okay, I'm opening the sari for you. I don't know where are all, if people are viewing us, there are some people who are, there are some ladies who had asked me for, you know, digital printed saris. So today's live is only for digital printed saris and pure silks. I don't know where they are. If you guys are watching us, then please respond, ma'am. If you guys are watching us, if you guys are watching us, then please respond. See, this is your second sari. This is my second sari. Okay, this is the second sari. Just a moment, I'm confused. भाज करो ना ठीक नहीं, ठीक करे भाज करो ना भूल दिखे खुलते होते हैं हमको. Blouse piece टा आगे चले आशलो. Okay, so this is the look. Have a look. This is a beautiful cherry red blossom sari. Beautiful digital linen printed, silk linen printed sari in a cherry blossom red color. Complete sari is having a floral print. Complete sari is having a beautiful floral print. Have a look. This is the print of the sari. Beautiful print. This is the beautiful border of the sari. Beautiful border. Completely rich border. Banarasi border. Have a look. One side is a big rich border. একটু অল্প করে এসিটা গেলে ভীষণ গরম লাগছে. Okay, this is the one side. It's a big border, 12 inches big border, and the other side is having a 2 inches zari border. Temple border, rich Banarasi border. All over the sari you have this beautiful print, this beautiful cherry blossom print. Okay, this is the look of the sari. Have a look. This is your look. A very smart look sari. A very smart looking sari. Price is only 4250, free shipping. I had mentioned shipping in my previous sari. It was not there. All the saris are having free shipping. Okay, 4250, free shipping. This is the look of the sari. The second sari is silk linen digital Banarasi. Okay, let me show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece of this sari is just wonderful. You get a beautiful printed blouse piece. Just have a look. A cherry blossom printed blouse piece. A cherry blossom printed blouse piece. Such a beautiful blouse piece. The color is, you know, a bit changing. So this is the original color. Have a look. Beautiful. Okay. Visible. Price is only 4250. Price is only 4250. Shipping is free. Price is only 4250. Shipping is free. Let me move over to the third sari. Let me move over to the third sari for you. This is another beautiful sari. Have a look. It's again a floral print. Again a floral print, but the color is, you know, light grayish color, light grayish ash color. Beautiful blossom color sari. Okay. Okay, let's open this sari for you. So this is the look of the sari. Have a look. This is the look of the sari, the third sari. Have a look. Beautiful grayish color. Grayish color. This is having a dusky tone. Beautiful dusky tone color. Beautiful dusky tone color. Silk linen Banarasis. Beautiful dusky tone color. Price is only 4250. Shipping free. Price is only 4250. Shipping free. Ma'am, ये वाली ही लेना. Neela ma'am, I cannot understand what you are telling. Okay, so this is the beautiful silk linen Banarasi. Can you see the blossom color, blossom design all over the body? Blossom design, grey color. Yes, yes, it's a grey. It's actually an ash grey color, ma'am. It's actually an ash grey color. Have a look. It's a beautiful Banarasi border on one side, the big 12 inches border, and there's a small 2 inches border on the other side. All over the body, this beautiful print is there. Okay. All over the body, this beautiful print is there. So that's the beauty of the sari. All digital printed saris have got this beautiful prints. So I have started with floral digital printed saris. I'll slowly move over to traditional, and then I'm going to show you patola prints also. So all on digital prints. All digital prints on silk linen Banarasis, okay? So this is the look of the sari. This is the beautiful look of the sari, okay? Is it visible? Price is only 4250. Price is only 4250. Free shipping all over India. COD, if anyone is asking for, COD की charges अलग होती है. And if you want to take a screenshot and book, please send it to the number 7908221343 or 8621017476. Okay. Removing this third one. इसका blouse piece, let me show you. Have a look. This is the blouse piece. Again, a beautiful printed blouse piece. A beautiful printed blouse piece. Okay, a beautiful printed blouse piece for this sari. Okay, removing this sari, going to the fourth sari, the lotus print, the beautiful and the famous lotus print, Pratibha's own lotus print. Okay, the beautiful lotus print for you guys. Let me open this sari. This is just a wow sari. It's just a wow sari. People who have purchased from us, they know this particular print. It's a wow print. Okay, it's a lotus printed sari. Lotuses are there in the lower skirt of the sari. Okay, so this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and you see the lotus? Yes, this is the pallu of the sari. Okay. Again, this is a big border, big 12 inches fat Banarasi border on one side, and there is a small 2 inches border on the other side. The entire sari skirt is having this lotus work, okay? Entire sari skirt is having this lotus work. This is the work of the sari. The lower skirt of the sari is having this beautiful lotus work. A very famous print from us. A very famous print from us, okay? That's it. This is the look. This is the look, okay? Price is only 4250, shipping free all over India. Price is only 4250, shipping free all over India. The speciality of the saris is the border. You get silk linen digitals outside also, but the speciality for this particular saris is the border, the Banarasi border. These are beautiful silk linen Banarasi digital saris. Price is only 4250, free shipping all over India. Okay. Blouse piece for this particular sari is plain. Okay, it's running and plain. Okay, this is not having a printed blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Okay, this is the printed plain running blouse piece with a Banarasi sleeves. Okay, price is only 4250, free shipping. Removing this, going to another floral collection, another floral one. This is the forest color, you can say, the forest green. Okay, it is having a combination of beautiful red roses. খুলতে গিয়ে তো আমার জান বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে, আমি তো বুঝতেই পারছি না কোন দিকটা খুলতে যাচ্ছি যখন গন্ডগোল হয়ে যাচ্ছে। ওকে, সোজা তো? ওকে। Hi Jansi. I'm having troubles opening each sari today. Okay? These are having such beautiful borders. So like these saris, beauty is the border, as I told you. So the beauty of the sari is the border, and if I cannot show you the border properly, then what is the use of me showing the sari? So see, this is the fifth sari in the digital print. Forest color with beautiful roses all over. Hi Ricky, thanks for joining. Forest color with beautiful big red roses. This is the look of the sari. All over the sari you have this beautiful look. Your sari is awesome. Thank you. Jansi, yes, COD is available. For all saris, COD is available. COD charges extra. So this is a beautiful forest green type of a sari. Combination of, big red roses, greens, beautiful work. This is the pleated portion. So This is the look. Okay, this is the beautiful look. Nice color, thank you. Okay, let me show you the blouse piece for this. This is also having a printed blouse piece. This is the printed blouse piece of the sari. This is the printed blouse piece of the sari. Okay, printed blouse piece. Fine. Printed roses blouse piece. Printed roses blouse piece. Price is only 4250. Shipping is free all over India. If you're going for COD charges are extra. Okay. Going to the next one. It's a patola printed sari. Patola printed sari. People who love patolas, this is a patola printed digital silk linen. Okay. Blue in color, patola printed silk linen. Is your sari for sale? Yes, Ricky, my sari is also for sale. Although I don't have much of colors, I only have 2 variations of my own sari. These are more in production, so we are going to get more of those saris. Okay. So this is the patola printed sari. একটু আমাকে খুলে দে, আমার খুব মানে খুলতে গিয়ে সব গন্ডগোল হয়ে যাচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ, তো প্রত্যেকটা শাড়ি খুলে দিতে হবে আমাকে। হ্যাঁ, তো খুলছি যখন সে তো আমি বুঝতে পারছি, কিন্তু খোলার সময় সরু করাটা উপরে চলে আসছে। ওকে, let's not waste time. We have our own codes, you know. So this is the look of the sari. Just a beauty, just a beauty. Just have a look. A blue color silk linen digital Banarasi with a patola print. Bright black you are wearing. Yes, I am wearing a bright black. I am wearing a matka silk, a pure matka silk, jet black matka silk. Okay, so this is the beautiful patola printed digital silk linen Banarasi. Okay, can you see the patola prints? Can you see the beautiful digital patola prints? Okay, price is only 4250. Shipping is free all over India. Okay, the sari you are wearing of what material? It's matka silk, Ricky. My sari is matka silk. Okay, so this is the look of the digital printed sari. Clear? Pallu is visible. Let me show you the blouse piece. Blouse piece for this sari is again printed, digital printed blouse piece. Digital printed blouse piece. Price is only 4250. Shipping is free all over India. Pure digital silk linen Banarasi, handloom Banarasis. Let me emphasize first, these are pure handloom digital linen Banarasis. Okay, price is only 4250. So I'm removing sari now, patola printed. Let me go to the next sari. The next sari is a beautiful print. Let me tell you, it's a beautiful print. It's something very uncommon. It's a beige color, not beige with a light, ठीक है, हम लोग दूधे अलता बोली, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, दूध में अगर थोड़ा सा अलता हम लोग मिला देंगे, जो कलर आता है, अब आप देखो जो कलर आता है, that is the color of this beautiful sari. So the next sari, have a look. Beautiful prints, some very uncommon prints only available with our Pratibha collections. Have a look at the pallu. This is the beautiful pallu. Can you see the pallu? Can you see the beautiful pallu? All lotus leaves, and then there is the cow of Krishna, the Krishna's cow. Do you have Vishnupuri saris today? No, ma'am. Today we don't have Vishnupuri saris. Oh, we have Photochitra saris today. I'm so sorry. Today my brain is not working, okay? We have Vishnupuri saris today, Vishnupuri silk saris. Have a look at the pallu of the sari, the beautiful pallu, okay? And this is the body. The body is completely half bloom lotus and the lotus petals and lotus leaves. This is the look of the sari, the beautiful look of the sari. Beautiful silk linen Banarasis. Silk linen digital Banarasis, okay? Beautiful silk linen digital Banarasis. Price is only 4250, free shipping all over India. Let me show you the blouse piece. Okay, this is the printed blouse piece. Color is this actually. It's having a beautiful light orange color. This is the printed color is absolutely changing, you know, color ta boya acha light is
তোমার সামনে থেকে ওখানে ঠিক আছে লাইট
yes, this is the color printed blouse piece. Okay, can you understand the color? Okay, price 42.50, shipping is free. Removing this, going to the next one, completely a fabulous printing. This is called ঠিক আছে না কিন্তু আঁচলটা এটা তো okay, this saree is beauty. Look at the pallu of the saree. This is having a Pottochitru printed in digital print, a beautiful Ma Durga. Have a look. This is the pallu of the saree. Can you see the pallu? Beautiful Ma Durga digital printed in the pallu. Pottochitru. Okay, and here is the body. The body is having this beautiful small curvings, small circular, you know, Pottochitru. Okay, I can show you from color. You are preoccupied by these beautiful sarees. Yes, I am. Okay, can you see the print? The beautiful Pottochitru prints. Okay, both sides are just beautifully worked upon. Just have a look. This saree is just a beauty. People who would be going for this saree, जिसको ये साड़ी मिलेगा उसको समझ में आएगा कि साड़ी कितनी ब्यूटीफुल है. ये है साड़ी का लुक. देखो, this is the pleats and this is the pallu. This is the beautiful pallu and this is the pleats. This is the pleats of the saree. Price is only 42.50, free shipping all over India. Okay, removing this, इसका ब्लाउज पीस भी बहुत प्यारा है, एक बार देख लो. This is the beautiful blouse piece of this saree. Okay, price is 42.50, free shipping all over India. Okay, removing this, लास्ट वन दिखाऊंगी. ये स्लेट ग्रे बोल सकते हो आप लोग, स्लेट ग्रे कलर, डिजिटल प्रिंटेड सिल्क लिनन, ब्यूटिफुल. I find everyone is sleeping or what? Where are my top fans? I cannot see any of them. Is this hand paintings or prints? Ricky, these are. Love your black saree. Do you have another piece? Ma'am, my black saree is 100% sellable. I have multiple pieces, Amulya ma'am. How many pieces would you like? It's 100% sellable. I'll show a saree of what I'm wearing. I'll show you another piece of a different color. Black is also available. Many pieces are available. Okay, it's a matka check saree. Okay, so this is the another beautiful design in digital printed saree. Have a look. The beautiful pallu. Just one please. Yeah, sure. You have to book with us if you want the saree at the number 7908221343 or 8621017476. Yes, you can take one screenshot and you can send it to us. We can give you the saree. Okay, that's what. So this is the last saree in the digital silk printed version. Have a look at the pallu. Beautiful digital printed pallu. Okay, and this side, the skirt of the saree is having this beautiful digital printing. Can you see the color? It's a beautiful color, let me tell you. It's a slate grey color with a midnight blue touch. Okay, beautiful. And let me show you the blouse piece for this particular saree. Blouse piece of this particular saree is this is the printed blouse piece. Okay, Printed blouse piece for this sari. Printed slate grey blouse piece. Ricky, these are not hand painted. Hand painted अभी दिखाने वाली हूँ मैं. These are hand printed, digital printed. Yes. Price 42.50. Shipping is free. Let me remove this now and let me go to pure hand painted Pottochitro sarees on Vishnupuri Katan silks. Okay, now today I am not in my form and so I am having a bit of problem opening the sarees. What material are you showing? Which one? I showed a digital silk linen Banarasi, digital silk linen Banarasi. Okay, let me show you a Pottochitro saree now. Pottochitros on pure Vishnupuri silk. Pottochitro on pure Vishnupuri silk. When I say Pottochitro, I mean Pottochitro is a type of art which is being practiced in the interior districts of West Bengal, and it is 100% a hand painted art. Okay, Shaita khula dao. Let me open the sari for you. These saris are beautifully done. Beautifully done. Let me open one sari for you. Okay, so the first sari, just have a look. By the word Pottochitro, I mean there is a kind of a story which is being shown in the sari. Can you see the sari? Is it possible? Is it visible? Okay, so by Pottochitro, I mean there's a story in each sari. Okay, these are all hand painted, work. Can you see the beauty in the hand painting? Yes. So the entire sari is having this beautiful hand painted work. Okay, and every sari would be having some kind of a story. That's the reason why they are called Pottochitros. Chitro means a story, and the entire sari would be showing a story. Okay, this is done on pure Vishnupur silk saris. It can be done on any other sari, but we prefer doing it on beautiful Vishnupur Katan silk saris. Have a look at the pallu. It's having a very big pallu. It's having a very pallu. Okay, have a look. This is the big pallu, hand painted pallu, and this is the body of the sari. This is the beautiful body of the sari. Okay, just have a look. Beautiful body. Both sides of the body you have this beautiful hand painting. Beautiful hand painting. Both borders. This side. Beautiful hand painting. Both sides. Okay, and also the body. You can see this beautiful hand paints done. Okay, এইটা কিন্তু পুরো শাড়িটা কিন্তু এরকম. This entire sari would be like this, and this is a patli pallu sari. Sorry, this is a half sari. Okay, it's a combination of two colors. One color is the parrot green, which is on the top pleats, and the lower color is a rustic orange. It's the rustic orange. Pottochitro style of painting is one of the most oldest and more. No ma'am, this is not of Orissa. This Pottochitro is 200% from West Bengal. Pottochitros are also there in Orissa, but their painting style is different, and the painting style of West Bengal is different. So this which you are seeing is that of West Bengal. This is the combination of the sari. Can you see? This is the combination of the sari. Excuse me if I am not being able to show it to you properly. In case if you are liking any sari and you want to see a full video, we can show it to you before booking. Have a look. This is the combination. This is the first sari with a parrot green and rust color combination. Price of this sari is 5,800. 5,800. These are pure silk mark saris. These saris are done on pure Vishnupuri Katan silks. It's a completely silk mark sari with 100% hand painting work done. Each sari takes around 12 days to get hand painted. Yes, Ricky, absolutely. Thanks for the knowledge. Thanks for sharing, ma'am. So this is the first sari in your look, the parrot green with rust color. Okay, beautiful combination. Price is 5,800. Blouse piece for this sari, all blouse piece would be having hand painted work. All blouse piece would be having hand painted work. Have a look. This is your blouse piece. You have this hand painted work in the sleeves. Hand painted work in the sleeves. Price is 5,800. So you have a contrast blouse piece. Your upper pleats is parrot green, your lower pleats is rust, and you are also getting a rust color blouse piece. Price is 5,800. Shipping is free. If you're going for a COD charge would be extra. Every sari would be having a silk mark, which is proving that the saris are done on pure Vishnupuri silk. Going to the next one, it's a magenta color sari. It's a beautiful magenta color sari. Can I get it in Pune? Yes, ma'am, you can get. Savio, ma'am, you've already got one sari or a blouse from us, I guess. You can easily get these saris in Pune. I'm opening the next piece. It's a beautiful magenta color sari. Have a look. Each sari's pallu is something to be, treasured for. Have a look at this pallu. This is the pallu of the next sari. This is the pallu of the next sari. Every sari is having its own story. Okay? Every sari is having its own story. Can you see the pallu? Yes, over here you get to see Radha and Krishna. Okay? Beautiful, isn't it? Big pallu. And yes, the body is this. This is the body work. Okay? Price is 5,800. These sarees need much showing. These are beauties, let me tell you. Everyone should have one in its closet. Patachitras are one of the beauties in its own form. These are Bengal Patachitra. Patachitra is also there in Orissa. That's a different art. This is only Bengal. This is strictly Bengal's Patachitra. Okay? Blouse piece. This is not a half and half sari. The entire sari is of this color. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Okay? Chalo, removing it. Price is 5,800 with a silk mark. With a silk mark. Okay? Next color, the green. Green khulli kya? Orange second. Next color is orange. Okay? Next color is orange. So this is the pallu of the sari. As I told you, every time a pallu, this is having a Ma Durga theme. Every time a pallu is having its own story. This is the pallu. This is a complete Ma Durga one. Okay? And this is the body. This is the body. Okay? This is the body. Beautiful. Single color sari, not a double color sari. Price is 5,800. Shipping is free all over India. Okay? Patachitras on pure Vishnupuri Katan silk. Okay? Removing this sari. Going to the next color. There's a single color green. The first one which I showed was a double color green. Then I have a single color though. Single color green. This is a darker green. The first one was a parrot green. This is more a darkish color. Okay, just have a look at the pallu first. As I said, every pallu is having its own story. Okay. This is the body of the sari. Price is only 5,800. Pure Patachitra on Vishnupuri Katan silk saris with silk mark. Okay. This is the look of the sari. Okay. Blouse piece is also having, the sleeves of the sari is also having the Patachitra work done. This is the sleeves. Fine. Okay. Chalo. With this, I'm ending today's live. I thought of showing more, but I'm not feeling well. So sorry. Maybe in the next live we are going to show you more silk collection. Although I couldn't show you much of silk, I only showed you Patachitras. Next live surely I'm going to show. And for people who are looking for my sari, this is the black one which I'm wearing. There is a brown in this particular collection. Brown to dekha. I'll show you the brown so that you can understand what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a pure matka silk check sari. Okay, it's a Banarasi. It's a matka silk Banarasi check sari. This is another color of the same sari. It's a golden brown color. It's a golden brown color. Have a look. And the pallu of the sari is having a beautiful zari weaving. Okay, let me show you the golden brown of this. For people who were looking for my sari, for only them I'm doing this, opening this sari. We'll be having more colors of this sari maybe shortly. This is the pallu of the sari. Okay, can you see the zari weaving of the sari? Yes, and this is the body. A beautiful golden brown. You get the saris in multiple other colors. I am wearing a black. This is a golden brown. Price of the sari is only 5,000. 5,000. Shipping is free. Okay. With this, I'll end my live for today. Hope we are going to meet very soon with new collections. Bye-bye.